Welcome to Indiana's only cutting-edge green bank. We visited First Federal Savings Bank in Mishawaka to discuss green commercial buildings with Andy Heck, the bank manager.
The polished limestone, that's one of the bigger things we did. It was a local building product from the state of Indiana, required less transportation to get it here. All the carpets we used are recycled, mostly recycled fibers, which is kind of cool. Another cool system we have at the bank is the geothermal heating and cooling. Obviously that runs the entire system, keeps the building cool in the summers, hot in the winters. We have a green roof. The green roof contains all of Indiana's natural habitat plants, low cost of maintenance, low maintenance period, water resistance so they don't die on us. The goal of a green roof is to help from UV rays being bounced back into the atmosphere, which would typically happen on an asphalt roof. So we have the solar system up there. The boxes are in the back that actually helps convert the solar rays to the conventional electricity that the building runs on. And between the wind turbines and the solar panels, that takes up about 10 to 15% of our energy cost, which is fairly significant considering the amount of energy that a bank uses. Glass and all the glass that they did put in the building, that obviously helps with more natural daylight, helps to keep it cool in the summer and heats it in the winter. And then that just helps for more natural daylight, requires less lights to run, less, hence lower energy costs. So this is a piece of agar board, and basically what happens is when they brought this material in, this was all pre-cut per size, per dimensions, per specs, and it was all pre-cut with windows, with electrical outlets. Basically they brought this in, they laid this board down, they bolted it into the concrete, and then they raised these huge sheets of agar board, which is the condensed straw in the middle, and they just sat them right on top of there, and then they bolted them in, and that's how they set the building up, which obviously was a much quicker building method as well, as opposed to building regularly.
Indiana needs more commercial buildings to go green. Here are just a few benefits of going green. Energy savings through geothermal heating and cooling. Electric power savings through wind and solar energy. Reduced light pollution with proper exterior lighting. Reduced water runoff with permeable pavers. A green roof reduces the urban heat island effect. Use of local materials like Indiana limestone reduces long-haul transportation fuel usage. I want to challenge Indiana business people to take steps to turn their building green.